Hey, Waldo! Get out here! Is my dog Waldo. He's a pretty sweet gun. He shoots very smoothly. It's very nice because it's easy to cock back. You just take it, go, and then you go. Reload the magazine by going like this. Then you cock him again. It's a pretty sweet gun. Right, Waldo? He loves me. As far as you can throw him, he'll act like a grenade. And he'll just go after your enemy. It's like a C4 that you can throw. A C4 RCXD for you COD fans. You strap a little C4 to his chest and he just runs, tries to give someone some loves, and then you press the little button and he goes boom. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
No!
What? I can't find his...
What the?